Look closely at the architecture of our industry. A sprawling metropolis, yes, but one built on clashing ambition, not unity. Impressive, yet unstable. Vital currents struggle, choked by old conduits. Data, the very lifeblood, fragments, stagnates, barely flows. A system under strain. But from the highest vantage, a vision crystallizes. One mind comprehends the dissonant symphony, plotting a truly new future. With a singular touch, the blueprint unfurls. Not just a plan, but a living, evolving landscape of unparalleled possibility. Witness the genesis of order. Connections reforged, pathways redesigned. The chaotic gives way to the coherent, the fractured to the flow. The pulse quickens. Information now flows freely, brilliantly, through clean channels. A new era dawns for every foundation, every participant, from fractured complexity to seamless intelligence. A future built on precision, resilience, and unparalleled connectivity. London Insurance Week 2026 needs your vision. Join the architects of tomorrow. Design the future today.